Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this ghost video transition on CapCut PC. Well, it's more like an effect more than a transition, but here we go. We're just going to split it where we want the effect to be, copy and paste that. We're going to add a keyframe at the beginning, we're going to add one in the middle, and we're going to add one at the end. And the one in the middle, you're going to kind of zoom in on the video. We're also going to just put down the opacity to around like 50%. And that's basically it. You're just going to want to adjust it if it's too like far apart, like if it's too slow, you're just going to move the keyframes closer to each other like that. If you want to, but yeah, that is it. And maybe like scale it in a little bit more. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!